While passengers sleep, Jack Phillips is busy sending personal messages for those in first class. The iceberg warning never reaches the bridge. The biggest ship on Earth is at 22.5 knots, nearly full speed.
It sails at speed that it shouldn't have been traveling at, and it's going through really a minefield. It's actually
iceberg straight ahead! Full stop!
Third class cabin, flood first. The iceberg tears rivets off steel plates in the hull, opening 6 gaps. The new international district.
SOS. Titanic requires immediate assistance. Come at once. We struck an iceberg. Sinking.
"10 miles away, another ship, the Californian, close enough to save lives. But its wireless operator turned the telegraph and went to sleep. 15 minutes. 6 supposedly watertight compartments flooded. More than 40 million liters of water pour into the Titanic.